Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cars, which is Gloria, and you'll see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. Each week we enter our projects into hashtag Sat Morning Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood, and the ladies' links will be down below. So make sure you use those hashtags so that we can come over and visit you. All right, and so this week's theme was harvest. Next week's theme will be anything winter, and enter these collabs. All right, so I started out using this. This was a gift from Gloria. Thank you so much. And I was finally able to use this, and I really like how the cards turned out. One I liked better than the other. So, but I'm going to show it to you anyways. Okay, and then from Cards TV Stamps, I'm using Harvest Blessings, My Creative Time, and this is an old one. I went way back. I'm using these tag dies. I don't know the name of them, but yeah, they're old. They're no longer in her store. They're retired. And then I used this wood plate die. Love this. So I was able to use that on both cards. Use the 5x5 card layer dies. And I'm using, I want to say this one there. And then also the 3.75 by 4.75 card base dies. And I think I'm just using this one here. Oh, and I'm using the other one, the card base add-on dies as well. And I'm using this one here. So I'm going to start off with this card first. This is the one I did. I wasn't too satisfied with this one. I just kind of thought the gingham was overpowering the give thanks. So I did create another one. But anyways, it still turned out cute. I still like it. And so I thought I would show it anyways. There goes the inside. And I did ink up all of the leaves around the pumpkin and the leaves, as well as the wood piece there. And so that's how that one turned out. Now this is the one that I like better. And this is the one I created with My Creative Times 5x5 card base die in her older tag set there. And then I did ink up this and popped it up a little bit there too, if you can see it. And then you can see the inking a little bit better on there. And there goes that Harvest Blessings from Cards TV Stamps. I think she's still selling stamps too if you want to go over to her store. I'm not definite though, but you should be able to just put in Cards TV Stamps. And if she's still selling, she might be able to go ahead and you can place that order and get that. But don't quote me on that, I'm not definite. And then there goes the inside. Okay, so remember, this week's theme was harvest. Next week's theme is winter. We would like to see what you would create using that hashtag. And don't forget to enter hashtag SatMornMakes as well. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.